Hey, it's Michael here from Girl Director. I want to show you this really cool program called Clipscribe. So check out the video because this is going to be how you can add subtitles and headings and extra graphics really easily. It also lets you do square videos, which Facebook and things like that love. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel because we've got heaps of content here for making videos, for growing your business, for marketing, for mindset, everything that you need to grow your business and get really well known online. This is so easy. All you need to do is you're in Clipscribe, you log on, get an account. It's not very expensive. I think it's $16 US a month, or you can buy an annual charge at less. And you go into My Videos, and there you just go to, you can either get the video that you're uploading from your Dropbox or Google Drive. We tried that and we had a couple of little issues. It was a bit slow. So it's probably easier just to have on your own desktop. So select the file. There's a video that I want, that I've recorded. And you choose how it's going to be. Is it going to be a horizontal or a vertical video? So this is a horizontal video. And the language dialect is Australian for me. Choose a title. This is... So you just choose what it's called, submit. Now you just wait for it to upload. You can see it might take a little while, so just wait for that. And as soon as it's finished uploading, it will transcribe the audio, the voice, to generate your subtitles. And you go onward. So it will email you with the video link, but also you can just wait. And there it is there. You can see it just sits there in the blue, and like these ones, once it gets to the point where it's light blue and then green, it means it's finished. Now it's not showing up that it's finished here, but if I go to my emails, I can find it. There's an email telling me it's ready. So let's go to choose the layout. That's ready to go. Titles are ready to design. So let's just click on the little plus. So you can see it's got a few different options, which is great already, and it does different formats, which is nice. So I just want to do a square one to use on Facebook, but this is really helpful for when you want to do different formats like your Instagram and Facebook stories and things like that. We're just going to go to this one. You can change all these bits, so we'll select that. And the first thing you want to do is look at your headlines. So just write in there what you want. You can change your fonts. It's really easy. And so these are some changes of text and things, and you don't necessarily want to keep these things. You can change them to different icons. I'm just going to remove this one. And let's look at the color of this bar here. So I'm just going to click on the little color here, and you can select whichever color you want. Or if you know the RGB color, you can use it. And if you know the hex color and you put that in, then it will convert it into the RGB code. Choose that. Great. Next, you want to look at the subtitles. Now, this is the CC here, which is your closed captions. You can see it's split them here. The main thing you want to edit here is things like punctuation. It's not very good with that. So you can see, just want to go through and fix up these little bits that maybe it hasn't picked up correctly. Heavy Friday, the absolute opposite to what I am doing. You can see there are a bunch of other options you can do, like you can upload the Srt Files, which basically means they're pre-prepared captions if you don't want to edit them. But if you just use the basic thing, it's pretty straightforward. And so you click on Make once you've got it ready, and it will then just do all the bits you need to do to finish it. Okay, now that it's finished doing those bits, you can download it. And you should have your completed video. So you can save things. You can do so much. You can create templates. Just play around with it. It's an awesome, awesome program that will save you a lot of time. There it is.